Suhan, I want to really go into one aspect of what you're doing right now, which is the 10 Crore Club.
Yeah.
Now, you call this as a mastermind for like minded individuals and people who aspire to get to that level. Now, how important is it, and especially for senior leaders, to be surrounded by like minded individuals, and what benefit does this give them?
Okay. So this is very important. Now let's talk about what is a mastermind, right? So mastermind is a community of people who are coming together for a single common objective or a single common goal. So that's the mastermind. If you know understand the word mastermind, we talk about who is the mastermind behind something which has happened, right? So mastermind is all about bringing people together so that we can achieve something more beyond that company itself. Can we achieve more beyond that? So that's the mastermind. Now if you notice, in US there are a lot of mastermind communities and mastermind groups which are there, which are run by various very successful people like Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki. They run their own mastermind groups, and these mastermind groups are very exclusive, which means you cannot get an entry there. You have to be picked and chosen. Now let's say I want to have a mastermind of CEOs. It's very difficult to enter there. Probably if you talk about, let's say, Bangalore, they would be coming and meeting in one of the very star hotels like Leela Palace. They must be meeting there all the CEOs to collaborate and discuss about various strategies. Let's say the IT senior guys, IT CEOs are meeting and talking about how we can shape up the IT industry, or how we can collaborate for the larger good, how we can together collectively create more business for India. So that's how a mastermind is typically formed. So this particular mastermind group that we have formed is very, very strategic in terms of we are uplifting a budding entrepreneur, a startup owner, so that they can get to their aspiration of reaching 10 crores. That's the main objective here. Now why do we need a mastermind group? Let's understand that what is the real reason behind it. Now startup being a very, very lonely journey. A startup, suppose a founder is facing a lot of difficulty in understanding as to how do I move forward. Now that person cannot get any help from the family members, cannot discuss the problems with the family members, cannot discuss with friends and family, right? Cannot discuss with the neighbors also, because all the inputs that the person will get moment he or she starts discussing is that, why did you start? Why did you do it? We had told you not to do this, right? But the startup owner is actually looking for solutions, and that's the main thing. Without solution, how do I move forward? Now every entrepreneur has lot of passion, lot of energy, may have direction, may not have direction, but wants to do something, and starts with a self belief, a very strong belief system that I want to make something, I want to become an entrepreneur, I want to successfully run a business. But then there are various aspects which are lacking, like the direction, goal setting, having an accountability partner. Now there are many startup owners who do not have an accountability partner. They lack collaboration, they lack networking. So what we provide is a mastermind community where people can come in and they can collaborate with each other. They can find their customers, they can find investors, they can find their employees, and most importantly, they will have an accountability partner. This is the key here. Having an accountability partner, because as an employee, you have a boss. Your boss tells you to do something and you do it. But as a startup owner, there is no boss. There is no boss for you, which means either you become your own boss, or you have a friend or somebody equally competent CEO who can keep yourself accountable, saying that, you told that you are going to achieve this particular goal. Have you achieved it or not? So it is very, very important for a group of CEOs or the startup founders to come together in a platform. They have to come, they have to meet, so that they can collaborate. They learn to collaborate. It's no more competition anymore. Because if we talk about the COVID scenario right now, everybody has come in the same level. It's not about competing. If you compete, nobody grows. The first step is to collaborate. Can we collaborate, and later we can figure out competing at a different level? But first thing is to collaborate and grow together. So that is what is missing. And it's very important for people to come together gain perspectives from different startups, understand from different CEOs as to how I can grow, what are the different strategies which are working, collaborate, have accountability partner, hold each other responsible, understand the good habits which are being inculcated in various founders, imbibe them, and then grow. So that's the key. Without this is so difficult. Otherwise, where does a startup founder go actually? There is no place where he can go and talk, discuss, and strategize.